You put on here. See our bread. We will cover this one now for 30 minutes, all the bread. Then we'll go work on this one now. We'll work on this one. Work on this one. And just make 3 bread. Yes, we'll do this one now. Look at this one. This is the second one. You go do the same thing. You pinch them like this. Pinch them like this. You put them here. This is the first one. Then we take this one again. This is the last one. We'll keep it. This is the last one. Gurura. Have to do the same thing. Pinch am. Make it join. That's my wonderful people. See the head for cucumber. You put on here. So this is the 3 breads. This is it. So this one will control the paper now. Use them. Yes, you guys. Ta-da. Cover it. Look at it. Una see that bread. Look at the bread now. See our loaf of bread. So we go to break egg for mix am with milk for rub am. The yolk. I go take small part for the yolk. I go take small part for the yolk. I go mix am. See the yolk. I go mix am with milk. Then rub am. We go to open the bread. Guys, look at the bread. Wow. Look at the bread. Wow. Look at the loaf of bread. See Quinta. In Quinta's kitchen, we have 2 loaf of bread, very light. So we go to put milk here for the yes. So we go mix them so that we go rub them for the bread before we drop them. So guys, we go rub them for you. As you can see, you rub like this so that it will get that brownish color. You understand? We can still give the design. We can still design the bread. Can do like this before you enter. You do it like this. You do it like this. We don't put them. So we go do this one. 2 bread here. We do it like this. We do it like this. We give a small line. We do it like this. We design them. Design them. Design them. Okay, and design it one side. Yes, and design it one-sided design. So guys, so for oh, this hot, we put it down. This one will go up. We put up and down. So now, hey, tea bread. You have your bread. Bread. This one they up. So now they down. We go put them for up. For down. Yes, my wonderful people. As you can see the light. The bread is out. Removing the bread. The other one is out. Look at Quinta's bread. See my design bread. So we'll take breakfast. Everybody eats.